We believe organized kitchen is an organized life. So let's look at the best kitchen organizers available by Hafele. This is our Ambialine cutlery tray. It's one of the most premium of all the trays that we have. The size of this is 300 mm. So if you have a non-standard size drawer, you can take 2 of these, and the center can be done with these aluminum frames, which can further be divided with these partitions to adjust your spoon size. The coating on this is a very special soft touch coating which gives a very luxurious feeling to it. Another advantage of this is that since it's only 300 mm and the finish is so premium that you can also place it on your buffet table and you can use your spoons. Very easy to clean also, and easily you can place it back in your drawer. This is our Blum Organon cutlery tray. The material is stainless steel finish. The size of this is 300 mm. So if you have again a non-standard size drawer, the remaining space can be used for your other utilities. So the advantage of this is that these hoops can be easily removed and you can place it on the counter. So you don't have to close and open your drawer again and again. And very easy to clean since it's in individual pieces. Easily place them back inside the drawer. This is our Cusio cutlery tray. It's got a very elegant and white color acrylic finish. These partitions are fixed. However, you see these small internal dividers, they can be easily shifted. All you need to do is remove these strips and you can easily shift this little white piece that you see here, and you can place it wherever you want it depending on the size of the spoon, and just push this back inside and your cutlery is fixed back with your sizes. And the advantage of this is that you can easily remove it as it's in one piece. You can place it on your counter, you can do your needful cleaning and then again place it back in. Here if you see, it's got a white color strip which fits very well with the drawer, and also it aids that no dust can go in or seep through that corners of at the bottom of your drawer. So many times we have a non-standard size drawer. In that case we can use the cutlery tray of a smaller size and use the remaining space for your chakla balan, your chopping board. In this case we've used a 600 mm cutlery tray. There are 2 colors in this, white and graphite, that's a grey color, and there are 3 sizes in this, 450 mm, 600 mm and 900 mm. This is Hafele's most economical cutlery tray known as the ErgoFit. It comes with a silver PVC grey finish, and there are 2 sizes in this, 600 mm and 900 mm. The Ambialine plate holder can take up to 12 plates together. These handles make it very easy and light to lift, and once on the dining table you can directly serve from there. These levers help you to adjust the size of your plate. Plate holders can be easily placed back in the drawer, and you can also directly put your plates right from your dishwasher into the drawer. This is another very handy organizer. It's a small dustbin. You can easily clip it to your shutters, and if it's kept right under your worktop, you can do your chopping and your cutting. You can easily swipe the mess into this bin, and if you think your cooking is going to take some more time, you can cut off the odor by just closing the lid. Once done, you can throw it in your bigger bin. This is a very effective spice holder that we have. You can store up to 10 bottles in this. If you individually want to pick up and use one, you can do that. Or if you want the entire tray to be out, you can easily lift it and place it on the counter. This is another fantastic product by Blum. It's the knife holder. It can store about 9 knives at one go. And if you see, the knife is securely stored, the edge of it, the tip of it is very securely stored in the knife holder, whereas the handle is easily accessible at the other end. This foil cutter is also very handy. You can use it within your drawer. All you need to just do is pull it to a desired need and slice it out. That's your foil. And also the film is easily cuttable like this. These organizers just don't help you save time, but they also make the cooking process enjoyable. Please mention in the comment box which is the best organizer according to you. If you wish to buy it, please click on the link below.